Jim Fossone from Legal Help for Veterans, PLLC, a practice group of the Fossone Bond Law Firm. We're headquartered in Northville, Michigan, and we help veteran disability claims all over the United States. One of the things our team does is have in-service meetings to discuss various issues every month. And in this video, we're going to show you a little bit about one of those in-service meetings on what we all affectionately call VA Math. You can find more about Legal Help for Veterans at www.legalhelpforveterans.com. Thanks for checking in. This is the monthly in-service meeting for Legal Help for Veterans. Christina, what are we covering today?
We just have some housekeeping things to go over, some of the processes and some of the note-keeping things that we keep track of. Also, I'll let you guys know a little bit more about the court aspect of the cases that we handle, and then Pete's going to present a little bit on VA Math.
And there will be a test on VA Math, Pete. Do you have a pre and a post test we have to do?
Post test.
I'm the only one who brought a calculator, so I'm telling you.
Calculators aren't allowed.
Oh.
As you all know, we're here to talk about VA Math. This circle represents a veteran who has no disabilities. So he's 100% functioning at full capacity. Now, when we're talking about VA Math, we're talking about a disability of a certain amount. Let's say we have a veteran who is service-connected 70% for PTSD. So what we do is we apply this we take 70% of our pie chart here, which would be maybe roughly that amount. And according to the VA, this part of our veteran is now disabled. So we are 70% disabled. Now, since there's only one disability here, we don't have to worry about the math. It's 70%. The veteran gets paid 70%. However, when we have more than one disability, the VA doesn't add them like you and I do. For example, if our veteran with 70% also has a disability of 40%, say for a bad back, okay, we would add that and we would get 110%. However, the VA only takes the second disability and it applies it to the remaining portion that was undisabled by the PTSD. So we really have 30% left here of the veteran's ability to function, and we have a 40% disability. So the VA is not going to pay you 110% or pay our veteran 110%. What they're going to do is they're going to take this good part of the pie, the 30%, and they're going to say, okay, the veteran is now disabled 40% out of this 30%. So what we have to do is multiply the 30% by 0.4, which is the decimal reflecting 40%, and that will tell us how much of this portion is now disabled. Okay? And when we do that, we get 12%. We get 0.12, which relates to 12%. So 12% of this 30% we have is now also disabled. So we now have a total of 82% of our veteran that is disabled.
Thank you for checking in with us here at Legal Help for Veterans. We're hoping that you learned a little bit about VA Math and a little bit of how we train our people up, and if we can assist you in your seeking veteran disability claims, feel free to contact us at www.legalhelpforveterans.com. And thank you for your service.